Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I have a Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this set of headphones. First thing you would need to do is pry up and remove the right side ear pad. And we have parts for this model and other models of Sony headphones right there. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for other helpful videos as well for headphones and headsets. Once the ear pad is loose, you can pry up a little bit, and here are the small plastic clips and posts that hold it in place and attach to the ear cup. I'll remove this foam piece. You need to remove these 4 screws right here. And this takes a small Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, you can remove the back plate here, the back cover. You want to separate the back cover from the ear cup. Now the next step is to remove this ribbon connector, and it comes out very simply. And that's what it looks like. Well, you push it in and it pulls right out as well. And here are the power wires. So it's a positive and negative wires here and the connector piece. So you're going to remove that. Pull the wires up a little bit, get them away from these tiny little wires. You want to be careful not to damage those or break those. And this comes out fairly easily. It's not in there very securely, so it does pull out pretty simply. And that's what the connector piece looks like. And there is a small ribbon connector here as well. I believe that's a temperature sensor. So that comes out very easily as well. Just pull that out. And once the connections are disconnected, you can remove the battery. So just gently pry upward. There is some adhesive holding it in. It does come out pretty easily. Be careful not to poke or puncture the battery. And this is the original stock battery. This is what it looks like. And this temperature sensor here we're going to remove and install on the new battery. These are our Central Sound batteries. So this is a replacement battery for this model, and it fits a couple other models as well. And it's going to sit in there just like this. And the left side is stock battery, right side is our battery. And to remove this ribbon cable, temperature sensor, you would just need to peel back that foam there. It's a foam type of adhesive as well, so it's stuck on there. And just pinch and peel it off. Take your time with it. And the ribbon connector should still be on there. And you set that ribbon connector aside. And this is a comparison of the 2 different batteries. Left side stock battery, right side is our battery. So we're going to install that ribbon temperature sensor connector piece on here. And it just sticks right in there. And place it into position just like this. Press down a little bit. Make sure it's secure. Then you could start connecting everything together again. So I'm going to start with the small temperature sensor ribbon connector piece. And that you just push right in there, and it goes in there really easily. You really don't need to put a lot of pressure or anything in there. Just take your time with it. And this connector piece, the positive and negative, also goes in there like that. Make sure you're putting it in there the correct way and it's not upside down. You can damage the pins. So it goes in just like that. And then push the wires down some, get them out of the way. Try to make sure they're not on top of the battery. And once the connections are in there, then we can put the cover piece on as well, and that ribbon connector is just going to slide right in there, and you just insert that and apply some pressure. It should go in there all the way to that line. There is a line which is kind of an indicator there to show you that it's in all the way, and it's in there all the way. So I'm going to double check again, make sure everything's connected and everything's good. Replace that back cover into position, and once it's in position and lined up and flush, you can start screwing the screws back in. So everything looks good. Now, another common problem that fails on these headphones is the hinge swivel replacement piece. So we also sell those as well at centralsound.co if you need that part. So now you would put the foam in after you have screwed in all the screws, and then snap the ear pad back into place. We also sell replacement ear pads. And just make sure the posts and the clips are lined up properly before you try to install it. And then you will hear snaps. You should be hearing snaps when you're securing it to the ear cup. Alright, I am going to plug it in and to make sure it's getting some juice here. So it does take a little bit for the LED to kick on. There it goes. So confirmation, battery is working, it is charging. And once again, we do sell the hinge swivel replacement parts down in here. These seem to fail and cause issues to where you can't wear the headphones. Tape and super glue is not good to use for that type of issue. We have the replacement part here. You can order from us. And it looks like this. It comes with the metal clip as well. And we also have our replacement ear pads for this model and many other models of headphones at centralsound.co. And they're just like the originals. We also have our custom-made upgraded slider parts for Sony headphones, different models. Those seem to fail a lot, and they're made in the USA. Thanks for watching, and if you did find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel, and have a great day.